Hi, I'm Ben from Ben Construct, and today we're going to look at the chip breaker and just see exactly what we're trying to achieve with it. So there's maybe a few things here you've never seen before, and I hope it's helpful. Okay, let's go. Traditional chip breaker will come to you with a leading edge angle of 40 to 43 degrees, allowing you to hone the leading edge to the standard 45 degrees. The new ones and modern planes can come with this chip breaker at a lot sharper angle, even 25 degrees, the same as the blade. You will note there is a massive difference in the thickness, and as such the new ones do not actually require any chip breaker to support the blade or to prevent chatter. Many people say to keep the chip breaker between 1/16th and 1/32nd from the tip. For general use, this would work fine with straight grain or planing with the grain. But for more figured wood and some hardwoods, you may like to try to alter the angle of the tip of the chip breaker to above 60 degrees and close the distance to less than 1/32nd. So why would this help? Well, for one reason, and as many people know, a card scraper handles both figured and hardwood exceptionally. Let's have a look at this diagram to see how this occurs. On initial appearances, there would not seem to be too much in common when we look at these magnified drawings. But look again at the card scraper when I put it aligned with the plain blade, with a tight chip breaker honed at an angle of 70 degrees. As you can see, the action of the plane mimics the angles and the cutting actions of the card scraper. The steep angle of the chip breaker and the close proximity to the tip of the blade not only helps the fibers to tear cleanly, but also reduces your tear out. So that about ends it up for today. I hope this was helpful, and if you can, give us a thumbs up if it was. Thank you.